Then you're going to go wind through again, okay?
Okay.
Very windy. Nothing real major to call out, just a windy road, okay?
Got it. You see it though, call it. Light left, light right, just call it.
Yeah, there's...
Too fast, I got it.
Yeah, they're too fast and too small.
Okay, read what I can, or try what I can see, got it.
Yeah. I mean, right now it appears straight. But that doesn't mean there's not a small thing.
Yeah.
Like this.
Our charging system's all good?
What?
Charging system's all good?
13.5.
Good.
It comes and goes, so there's something amiss with it.
Yeah.
All right, left medium 200. Left medium 100. All right, here's the left, followed by a right, just like it. Start looking for your right. There it is. Looks like a left follows that. Just like it. There you go. That's about the biggest things I can see on here.
Got it.
Or the smallest thing, I'm sorry.
Got it, yeah. I know what you meant.
Everything's looking straight. It may wind like this for a while. All right, right medium and 200. Right medium 100. Right medium right here. It's going to go right, right, left. Right, right, then a left. $200 yards to a right, just like that one. There it is. Now followed by a left. Followed by a left. Look straight. Easy right and 200. Followed by an easy left. This left didn't show. Oh, watch out for those ruts.
Got it.
Let's see. Okay, here's your right. Here's your left. Left hard 200.
Left hard.
Left hard 100. This is not the hard left. Left hard any second. There it is. Okay, you're going to have a hard short left followed by a hard right. Okay, here's your hard left, short, followed by a hard right. Oh, and hey, there's rocks.
Yeah.
Didn't know if you've seen them.
Got it. My ass is feeling them now.
Oh, are they? Okay. All right. Looks like a right at the top of the hill, followed by a left. Right, then a left. There's your left. Good job. Okay. All right, this is going to be a sweeping right. At the end is a left, just like this. There it is. This left is a long one, too. You're still in your left. Still in it, still in it. Followed by a short right, followed by a short left. Still left, then right. Then watch for your left. Then a hard right. So left, 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 left. Now you shift to your right. There it is. All right, 100 yards, hard left. Here it is. Careful, the car broke down there. Okay. All right.
We got some behind me, Larry?
No, that's their light.
Oh, that's their lights? Okay.
Yeah, hard left and 200. Here it is, coming up here. Left, right now. Okay, it's going to wind like this to a hard right and 200. Right hard, 200.
This drink system's getting me wet, man. This fucking thing sucks.
Okay, here comes your right. Left medium 150. Left medium 100. Followed by a straight. Here's your left. All right, I suspect it's going to wind around. Left medium 100. Left medium approaching. Left hard 200. Left hard 100. Keep going straight, keep going straight. Now look for it. Oh, there it is. Stinking rocks. All right, right hard and 200. 90 degree. Right hard 150. Right hard 100, followed by a straight. This is your right. Followed by a straight. There you go. Remember, little stuff like this isn't showing, so watch for it.
I got you.
Left medium 200. Left medium 100. Here it is. Straight as far as I can see. Left medium 200. Left medium 100. Left medium approaching. Short straight, hard left. Short straight, hard left.
Douchebag.
Yep.
Did you flip them off?
Huh?
What'd you do?
I just stuck my hand out.
Oh.
Straight.
Oh, they put a booby trap. You didn't see it?
No, I was watching GPS
Yeah.
them. Easy left 200. Easy left 100. Easy left any second.
Here.
There it is. Easy right 200. Easy right 100. Here it is. All by a straight. DC, call 116 at race mile 480. Call 116 at 480. All is good. Keep going straight. All look straight. All look straight. All look straight. Gauges look good. Don't look like nothing in the mirror. Look straight. Look straight. straight. Look straight. Gauges look good. Mirror looks good. Voltage looks good.
And you look good, Larry.
And I was gonna, dude, you read my mind. I was saying you look good. Let's see, everything's good, man. Looking straight, straight, straight. 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 Gauges look real good. Alright, looks like it's starting to get a little twisty again. I can't see nothing really major.
It's amazing how this dust just stalks in.
Yeah, it does.
That
You know, I think maybe the trees and the fog over there.
Yeah, the dew outside, polar weather, the trees.
Yep, there's a light up there.
That's why we're catching somebody.
There we are. Don't know if he sees us yet. Looks like he does. Maybe not.
Okay.
Can't see us off the
We
road
got a
yet.
couple flashing things going on up here.
Oh yeah. It's two bikes, it looks like. Yeah, they don't see us, Scott.
Where are we going?
Straight, 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 straight,
Whoa,
straight, straight.
dickhead.
They don't see us at all.
He's got to.
You don't.
He can't get over. He was in a rut, that's why.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I'll forgive him.
Yeah. We don't have a fucking horn, though.
We don't have a horn, man, yeah. Oh, shit.
What?
Never mind, nothing.
I saw the red light.
Yeah. Alright, there's another bike up there.
I see him.
Okay.
Alright, let's just refocus.
Yeah, refocus.
I gotta see me at some point. Oh, maybe not. He's faster, let him off catch him.
Alright. Right medium, followed by a right hard, 200 yards. Right medium coming up, followed by a right hard. Okay, here's your right medium. Then it'll be a right hard, okay? Here's your right hard. Be ready, right hard. Followed by a left medium. Okay, he sees you. Here it is, here's your left. Good job. Alright, so it looks like it's straight after the left. Alright, I'm showing straight, so just be prepared for stuff like that.
Copy.
Still showing straight. Still showing straight. Alright, right medium and 200. And it's a long one too. So make it a right hard, 100.
I got a new helmet just now.
Huh?
I got a new helmet just now. I took my tear off.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay. Here goes your right, here's your right, here's your right.
Got it.
I got you now. Alright, it's gonna get a little windy for a little while. Okay. At the end of this is a right that gets kind of tight. Here it is. At the end of this to the left, it does the same thing. So you're just gonna switch back and forth. Alright?
Got it. All of our lights are on?
All of our lights are on.
Very good.
Okay, this right, after the end of the right is a hard left. Right, 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 hard left. Look straight, look straight. I don't see nothing showing, man, so it's not going to show little things. Alright, right medium, 200.